What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video, and in this video I will show you how you can use emblem tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, comment down below which videos you would like me to make about Pokemon TCG Pocket. So let's get started. First, let's go over on how you can actually use emblem tickets. So go over to your shop and go to emblems. And at the moment this is the only use case for emblem tickets, to buy these 3 emblems right here. In the future they will probably add some other use cases, but at this time this is the only use case. So this is how you get emblem tickets. The first method is by simply completing Dex missions. So go over to your missions, and if you go to Dex tab right here, you can see all the missions that you need to do to get emblem tickets. And they are constantly adding new missions, so if you run out of them, you will get them pretty fast. And a second method of getting emblem tickets is through theme collection missions. So go to your theme collections right here, and here you can see different theme collections that you need to collect to get these rewards. So if I, for example, click on this one, you can see what cards you need to collect to get this reward. So these missions are more like set missions or region missions. Some of them are like collect all the cards from the Kanto region or collect the whole Nidoran family, etc, etc. And at the moment, those are the only 2 options on how you can get emblem tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.